PCA at Summit Point, Maine. These were two of my fastest laps, 21.28 and 21.24. I was coming up on my third lap. That was going to be within probably another 1/10, but unfortunately got stuck in some traffic. So here we go, lap number 1. Nice exit out of turn 1. Approaching turn 3. Been working on carrying more speed through here. It says 81, but I'm running on 18-inch tires, so it's probably 79, 78 miles an hour. A little wiggle there. Coming up on the Camaro, wasn't sure where exactly I was gonna catch Davis, but he ended up pitting in. So taking a long arc through there, quick lift to turn, prep for a nice exit out of 9. And I'm gonna try to carry as much speed through turn 10. Again, roughly getting to about 82, 83. Red actually 84 miles an hour, which you can see this lap was a 21.25. So that gets me to about 143 miles an hour, braking at about 4.5. Get those Toyo RRs to scream. I have about 15 cycles on them now. New tires to me, second weekend. I really like them. Here's turn 3 again, trying to carry as much speed through here as possible. It's a little bit of an uphill, so you can really lean into it past the apex. I had again a little bit of a wiggle there. Usually I can go just a tad faster. A little understeer through here. Fortunately, I caught another lap where there was nobody right in front of me. It was nice to get a couple of clean laps in a row. Turn 8, set up for turn 9, back on throttle. It's going to carry you out wide. And get ready for turn 10. Take advantage of all the runoff here. I think this one ended up being a 21.24. Flowing. I was thinking maybe I could get myself another lap here. A little oversteer coming out of turn 1. All the way out to the outside on the exit. I believe this gentleman's name is also Davis. Ended up running to him around turn 7, 8, and 9. So unfortunately had to abandon this run. At least I got 2 clean laps. Probably could have gotten through here. I'm not sure if he didn't see me or maybe he just wasn't comfortable letting anyone through in this complex, but could have easily eked by here. So anyway, this is it. So those were the best 2 3/4 of a lap